The front caliper design on your Yamaha YZ125 had some slight redesigns between 1994 and 2001, but the same service applies to all models. My bike is totally stripped, so I am removing the banjo bolt on the bench, but I would recommend you remove yours while still mounted to the bike. Brake fluid can damage almost everything, so keep your towels handy. The parts you will need are a front caliper rebuild kit, rubber grease, and a fresh bottle of .4 brake fluid. If you don't have parts yet, you can get all the parts you need through the link below. This front caliper service should cost no more than $25 and should take less than an hour to complete. Start by removing your front wheel and brake pads. Pump the brake lever to extend the pistons as far as possible. Place something flat against the pistons so they extend evenly from the caliper body. When the pistons have reached full extension, remove the banjo bolt and wrap the end of the brake line in a paper towel. Remove the caliper from the fork. Wrap a pair of pliers and electrical tape and pull the pistons out of the caliper in a twisting motion. Carefully remove the seals from the caliper bore. Remove the slide boots from the caliper and bracket, followed by the bleeder valve. Clean all of your front caliper components and make sure to rinse and dry them thoroughly. Inspect the components for excessive wear, pitting, and corrosion. If any part is damaged, it will need to be replaced. Measure the inside diameter of the piston bore. The piston bore should be no greater than 27 millimeters. My caliper was within spec at 26.83 millimeters, so it's good to go. I'm installing an all-balls front caliper rebuild kit, and you can get this exact kit through the link below. Match the old parts with the new parts to make sure you're not accidentally throwing away something you need. Once you have your new parts ready, soak your new piston seals in fresh brake fluid for 15 minutes to soften and lubricate for assembly. Install the piston seals and dust seals. Coat your pistons in brake fluid and install them in a twisting motion. Install the bleeder valve cover, then the bleeder valve. Install the slide pin boots. The short boot goes on the bracket, and the long boot goes on the body. Grease the slide pin boots and slide pins. Get as much grease as you can into the boots. Assemble the bracket and body, then give the bracket a few pumps to evacuate any trapped air in the boots. Install your caliper on the fork, then route the brake line. Install your banjo bolt with the new seal washers. Torque the banjo bolt to 25 foot-pounds and the mounting bolts to 17 foot-pounds. Make sure to visit fixyourdirtbike.com for the detailed step-by-step walkthrough. You can follow me at fixyourdirtbike across all social media, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments or direct message. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe. I don't know where this goes.